Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hussein Ahmad Alzen from grade 7B from Success International School, subject literature. And now I'll tell you a story about the honest boy. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Philip. His friend's name was Brian. They were the best friends to each other. One day, Philip's mother called Brian's mother and said, "Can you come tomorrow with me to the park, as the kids will be happy?" Brian's mother agreed to this proposal. The next day, they saw each other. In the park, the boys had a race competition and Philip won. Later, when they were sauntering through the park, suddenly Philip found a game near the swing. "Hey, Brian, look what I found. It's a game I have been dreaming to get it. Now I'll claim its possession," whereas Brian suggested to look for the game's real owner. After thinking for a while, Philip said, "Yes, we should search the person who has lost this game." After a 20-minute search, they met a boy who had lost the game. Philip asked him his name. The boy said, "My name is Joe. Is this your game that we have found it near the swing?" asked Philip and Brian. Joe said, "Oh my God, yes, I have been looking for it so long time. I am thankful to you. Had some others would have found it, they would have kept it for themselves," Philip said. "Yes, you are right. I was about to keep it as my own, but Brian advised me to be honest, so I took his advice." Joe said, "Because you are honest, I will give you this game to you as a gift." And thank you for watching. I hope you like my story.